Hello friends, welcome to our channel Explore. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get all our new videos as soon as they are up on YouTube. Thank you.
So yeah guys, let's jump in straight into the video, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to play Score Hero. So guys, Score Hero is basically a football game, and in this game there are many seasons like these, and I've crossed 3 seasons. I'm on the fourth one. So yeah, and for every season we need stars. Yeah, right there, stars is right there on the top right. And yes guys, so I thought that not to show all the modes first I'll just play and show you the gameplay. And yes guys, so here first we should like drag the screen from side to another side, so that we can move the camera just like that. And then we need to touch on where the ball is and strike, like drag it to the side where you want to kick, just like that. And yeah, pass it to him. Oh, they took it from me. Again, let's try passing. Again passing. Oh, he took it from me. So you have an opponent team and your team, and also we have hearts right there on the top. And the hearts means that, like, how many ever turns you lose and you have failed to complete it, then your one part of the heart goes away. For example, see, yeah, now my one heart went because I couldn't complete that. Pass, come on. Yeah, him. Oh, just took it away. Come on, come on. Yeah, so I'll also show you the settings of this game. Like in the game mode, there's a settings also, and this is not really that much, but you guys will just understand it as soon as you open it. Yeah, there's an ad also. Ads come in this game too, and yeah, it is a big journey. So now I'm going to show you guys the avatar of the like how can you change your avatar. So first comes the hair, then comes the name, now comes the number behind the shirt, then comes the skin color, then comes the beard, then comes the for like the how the shirt is going to be or jersey is going to be, full sleeved or what. So in the hair, there are these many hairstyles, pretty good, but I don't have any of them because I'm saving cash up for this one. Yeah, so the spiky one the spikes one I'm saving it for. And here you can see I've kept the name CR Ronaldo, and the number is 28. You unlock numbers like randomly. His number, I wanted number 7, but it's 200 cash, too much. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the mustache and the beard, but obviously I don't have one and I don't want to keep one also. Now I'm going to show you the shirt like this. So in this you can decide the thickness and thinness, and whether you want your shirt to be full sleeve or half sleeve. Okay, and yeah, now coming to the boots. The boots, there are many colors in boots like red, green, golden, many. There are so many. They're pretty nice. So it is a whole way journey to season 4 and more. There is more to season 5. But maybe they'll come with a new Score Hero game like Score Hero 2 or something, because on season 5 it's ending. So maybe they'll come up with season 6 and 7 in that. So let's continue and try to finish this level, which is named as Call of Duty. Okay, strike pass, 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 pass. So this guy who has the star over him is my hero. Like he's CR Ronaldo. So we can choose a player, right? He's that hero. Okay, how should I kick this? Um. Oh, come on. He saved it. Okay, passed it. I'll just, yeah, pass. Another pass. Oh, he took it again from the middle. They take it all the time. Oh, oh, we have a chance. Oh no, that was like an inch away. Come on. How come? Oof, crossbar. Pass. 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 Oh, we have a chance again. Come on. No, crossbar. How many crossbars will I hit? Oh, I got a free this thing. Oh, screamer. Amazing goal done by someone. Pass. That's slow. Okay. Oh, come on, man. Just make those 2 goals and we'll complete this whole level. And pass, no. Pass. Oh, what? They just tackled it from the middle. Pass it out. Pass it out. Oh, come on. So guys, as you can see on the top left, I'm losing hearts. And one more thing, guys, there is a circle. If you click on one of your players, a circle comes around, and if you click again, it goes. So that circle means that if you click on him and pass it somewhere, then that particular player who you clicked on will run for the ball. Let's go. Let's go. We have a chance. Oh, come on. Oh, again free one. Come on. Oh, spectacular goal. Done by someone again. Passed. Sweet. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do this. You can do this. You can do this. Oh, man. Oh, pass. Nope, I can't do it there. Pass. And one more thing, guys, you can only pass it between that 2 lines. Only between those 2 lines which you see right there. No, you can't pass it outside that. Oh, come on. This can be. Oh my god. That was an amazing goal. So, guys, as you can see, this game is pretty much fun. I'm having a lot of fun playing this. I recommend this to all of you guys out there who like football games. Okay, come on, pass. 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 Pass it out. Oh, we have a chance. Oh, smashed it. Smashed it. Inside. Pass. Come on, man. Pass. Ooh, he tackled. That should be a penalty. He just tackled me hard. But guys, there are no penalties in this game. Like, there's no fouls. But you get a penalty start sometimes in game. Like, that's just the mission, to complete. Come on. Just score. Just let's do this. Oh yeah, guys, it's taking too long, man. So that's why I'm just not going to waste time, and I'm just gonna show you the rest of the stuff. So I think that I showed you everything about this game, maybe. And yeah, ad comes again and again. So yeah, guys, and one more thing, guys, if you click on that cash nearby, you can see purchase options, and if you press on purchase, then you can get all that cash, but you have to pay actual money. So yes, guys, that was it for this video, guys. I showed you every single thing about this Score Hero game, and if you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe my channel. Down below is a red subscribe button. Click it, make it gray, and also click on the bell notification symbol and click it and make it on all. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.